Hi everyone! Interested to know what this latest quarantine food trend is? Well, the trend is basically deconstructed sushi. It has all the flavors you'd expect from a typical roll, but baked. Imagine a casserole eaten like a taco, but this time it's sushi. Anyway, I can keep trying to explain what it is, or I can just drop our recipe, and I'm choosing to do the latter. So guys, pour rice vinegar in cooked rice and press it lightly on the casserole. Cover it with clean cloth and set it aside. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make our sriracha mayo. We'll just put Japanese mayo, sugar syrup, sriracha, sesame oil, and togarashi in a clean bowl. Next step, we will put the sriracha mayo in our minced shrimp and we'll set it aside. So for me guys, I used only a fresh shrimp. And now, let's put also the dried cod roe. Now, spread the rice nicely in a baking pan. Press it lightly. And in the middle part, just add the mango. And then again, we'll top it with rice. Now, we'll top it with our shrimp mixture and spread it. And now, garnish it with some tempura drops. Guys, tempura drop is optional. Sprinkle some dried cod roe, or if you have budget to buy tobiko, then much better. And glaze some sriracha and teriyaki sauce, then bake for 125° Fahrenheit for 13 minutes. Now, serve it with nori sheets and use the sheets as wraps. This dish is so satisfying and surely will be your new favorite. Let us know your thoughts on this dish. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button.